Good morning. This is a quick walk around of a 1992 Mercedes-Benz 300 GE 3-liter gas engine with about 38,000 original miles. And I'm also going to do another cold start because the last one I wasn't sure where the mufflers are, and there's one on each side. And so for the left mirror, since I don't know how to use two cameras at once, I have it positioned to the lowest position so you can see if there is any exhaust coming out. I'm going to pop the hood, and you'll notice that it still has very solid vault-like doors. Engine bay is very, very clean. And this is the original garnet red color. So, there's the exhaust manifold. There's the top of the engine. It's very cold, and it's about 60 degrees this morning. Thank you.